First, open the matching cleaning kit. Remove the black alcohol packet to clean the phone. And dry it with a dry cloth. Use the dust sticker to remove the dust. Then put the dust strip through the hole under the alignment kit. Straighten the dust bar so that it is horizontal. Cover the top of the phone and pull out the dust strip. Important, please be sure to follow the instructions to install. Wait for the adsorption to be completed, and then remove the cover. If there is a big bubble after sticking, gently remove one end of the tempered film and let it reattach. If there are small bubbles after sticking, please don't squeeze it haphazardly like this. Please squeeze it out from the bottom of the air bubbles to the edge of the phone a little bit. If there is dust after sticking, you can raise the screen protector and use the dust removal sticker to stick the dust out.